Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
We begin this evening with news of a tragedy in St. Andrew. A 5-year-old girl perished in a house fire along Whitehall Avenue close to 3 this afternoon.
A community member says he tried to help, but the smoke was too heavy. Kirk Wright went to the scene.
A crowd converged on the scene in shock that the little girl perished in the fire that destroyed her home at 14 Whitehall Avenue. The cause of the fire is still being investigated. The fire department says they discovered the girl's remains after extinguishing the blaze.
We found her in the bathroom, perished from the inferno. She would have passed based on the smoke inhalation.
A man who recalled hearing the girl's cry for help says his attempts failed because the fire was far too intense to enter the building.
I attempted to help, but I couldn't make it. The smoke, if I went inside to try to help her, myself would knock out as well. So I just couldn't go in.
He says the girl just got home from school and was there with her grandmother when the fire started.
I saw smoke coming from the house, and then I went inside the house. I heard a little child in the house bawling for help. When I went in, beer smoke coming from the house. I tried to help, but I couldn't go any further. I turned back, helped the grandma and the guy on the crutch, and tried to come out of the house. That's it, not more.
So the grandma not able to walk on her own?
She can walk on her own, but she traumatized. She don't even know. She just like she senseless. She don't know what to do. You understand? She don't know what to do.
So you say you heard the child cry?
Yeah, like calling for help. Couldn't help her.
Exactly what you heard her say.
Help, and she scream.
That must have been really horrible to hear, knowing that you're not able to help, right?
I tell you, man, I feel so bad.
The child's heartbroken mother was on the scene but was not in a position to comment. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.